Hi there, students. A barrow. Okay, a barrow, a countable noun. Okay, the first meaning of this is a wheelbarrow. You know this thing that you use in the garden? You use it to carry things around, and it's got a wheel at the front and two bits at the back, and it's got a couple of handles. Yeah, so a barrow, a wheelbarrow. Very often in British English as well, a barrow is like a push cart. It's a cart from which you sell fruit or vegetables or other things in the street. So if you notice, many market stalls in London are barrows. Yeah, they're run by a barrow boy. Yeah, somebody who sells in the streets. I think the Americans would call this a push cart. Yeah, it's effectively a flat surface with four wheels underneath that you can push about. You can pull about, and then you put all your things on it. I think maybe in the past many of these vendors would push their barrows round the streets hawking their goods. Okay, so a barrow, a hand barrow, yeah, a vehicle which you can move around, and you can sell things at the side of the road. Yeah, very often fruit and vegetables go in a barrow. And then the final meaning of barrow is an ancient tomb. Yeah, it's a barrow is normally it's like a mound of earth and stones, and it's normally got two bits, and the body is buried in the center of it. It's a tumulus, effectively a funeral barrow. And also, this really goes towards the origin of the word, a barrow meaning a hill. Yeah, so if you look, the place where people were buried a couple of thousand years ago, a Viking barrow or a Celtic barrow, it's like a mound of earth. And in British English, there are various places with the name of Barrow. For example, Barrow in Furness in Cumbria, or Barrow upon Trent in Derbyshire, or various other places called just Barrow. Yeah, Barrow in Somerset. And I guess all of these are because they have a mountain. Okay, so a barrow, a wheelbarrow, a handcart to move things around in the garden. Yeah, a push cart used by street vendors. Yeah, he was selling his wares from a barrow in the market. And then a barrow, a burial mound, a place where people were buried in Neolithic times. Yeah, an elongated Neolithic mound covering a burial chamber. Yeah, it's Neolithic or Bronze Age. And then a barrow, a hill, but that's much more unusual nowadays. That's very old-fashioned. So, yeah, a barrow, a wheelbarrow, and that's going to be your most common usage. And then a barrow, he's selling coffee from a barrow in the street. Yeah, and this reminds me of the phrase, a barrow boy who made good and made a fortune. Okay, so formality. A barrow, a wheelbarrow, 5 in formality, use anywhere. A barrow boy, 5 in formality, use anywhere. A burial mound, a barrow, 6 in formality. It's a bit archaeological. And then a barrow, talking about a hill. This is rather old-fashioned. I'd probably give that 7, only use it in something semi-formal writing or above. Okay, and then as to origin, it comes from Berg in Proto-West Germanic, which comes from Bergaz in Proto-Germanic, meaning a mountain, and Proto-Indo-European Berg meaning high or height. Okay, so that's the idea of a barrow. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I will see you soon. Bye for now. Barrow.